Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. The first step that we have here is to simply open the Adobe Premiere Pro and then just click create a new project. So from the main menu bar, click onto the file menu and then select new. So as for example, we have here a photo, and then next step is to import the video you want to rotate. So after that, click onto the file menu in the menu bar and select import, and then just select the video using your file browser and then click open. And then after that, just add the video to the timeline panel. So the imported video will now appear in the project panel. So to add the video to the timeline, simply drag and drop it onto the timeline panel. And then after that, just select the video from the timeline. So you need to select the video to rotate it, and from the timeline panel, click onto the video to select it. And then after that, you can now rotate your video. So to do that, go to the effects controls, tab on and click onto the motion. So this is the effect controls and this is the motion. So on the drop down, so this will reveal rotation drop down. So click onto the number, so which is the blue text presented in degrees, and then beside, so this should be beside the rotation. So after that, enter your desired degrees right here. So you can rotate the video by 90, 180, or 270 degrees, whatever you'd like to rotate your video. And then for the next step we have here is to flip your video, which is an optional step. So if you want to do this, just go into your project panel and go to the effects tab. And then after that, click onto the distort drop down and click onto the transform from the resulting drop down menu, and then just untick the uniform scale checkbox, and now just change your number beside scale width or scale height to -100 to flip your video horizontally or vertically. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.